And Glenn, right now, if I've got the budget and I can afford a 4K camera or get two PTZ cameras, because they're almost twice as much depending on what models you're looking at. What's your advice for people as far as PTZ camera purchases go?
As far as mixing 4K and HD or buying the brands?
Well, let's start with I've got some cameras that are PTZ and I want to add a new camera. Should I add a 4K?
Yeah, I mean, again, we know we're going 4K, and you're, depending upon what you're doing, the 4K is great. It's going to be, coming out. You can either downscale it to HD or, in the NewTek world, there's some great options. There's a feature in Premium Access called Virtual PTZ, and I'm not going to give away some of the things we're showing a little bit, but Virtual PTZ allows you to take that 4K camera and kind of divide it up into multiple camera angles to say, okay, great, I'm going to divide left, right, center, and all quadrants. You can get 5 different camera shots out of one camera. So there's great things for going that route. Great image quality coming out of those. You're going to get better image quality, and the same thing. No matter where you're going, it's the more pixels you start with. As you're going down, you're still going to have the better image going out.